Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking to score amazing deals on products from all over the world? Well, AliExpress is one of the best places to find products at unbearable price. I'm here to walk you through exactly how to shop on AliExpress like a pro. Let's get started. First, open up your AliExpress app on your phone. Now let's look at how to find the products you are interested in. On the home page, you will see a search bar at the top. Simply type in what you are looking for, whether it's wireless headphones, smart cases, or home decor. You can also browse by categories if you are not sure exactly what you want. Well, AliExpress has a ton of products, so you will want to use the filter to narrow down your option from top sales to low in price to best match. Look for products with lots of positive reviews and high ranking to make sure you are making a good choice. Once you have found the perfect product, it's time to add it to your cart. Just tap the Add to Cart button and you can either continue shopping or go directly to your cart to review your selection. You can also check out immediately if you are ready by pressing Buy Now button. Alright, it's time to check out. Once you are happy with your cart, then click on to proceed to checkout. At checkout, you will need to enter your shipping information and choose a payment method. AliExpress supports multiple payment options including credit or debit card, PayPal, and even Alipay. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.